The sun had set, leaving the city of Bangalore sink into darkness under the cloud-covered sky on a usual weekday in July. After a long day at work, I set out from my office only to see the rain pouring down. Though I had my umbrella with me, I waited at the lounge for the rain to subside. Along with many others, including my colleagues and friends, I stared out through the glass doors at the raindrops making their way to the ground. Realizing that there was no point in waiting, we finally made our way to the nearest bus stop, sharing the two umbrellas we had among the four of us. The bus stop was crowded as usual, more that day because of the rain. We decided to book a cab. The traffic, which Bangalore is known for, was worse as it usually is on any rainy day. Waiting for the cab to reach us, we sat on the plank at the bus stop watching things around. And yes, how can I forget the tasty hot peanuts we popped into our mouths? Ah, I so miss the kanda bhaji or the onion pakodas that mom used to prepare on rainy days. Or the yummy french fries, or the crispy baby corn that she used to prepare without even I telling her to. Moms are awesome. I wonder how they figure out what exactly every member in the family wants. How I wished I was at home that time. Every passing moment was making me miss those tasty dishes more and more. The link of my thoughts was broken as my friends told that our cab had arrived. We got into the cab and sat silently as we were inching towards our destination through the traffic. I looked out through the window glass. The view was unclear as water covered it. I caught up with my thoughts that I had left behind. Was it just the delicacies that I was missing? Well, not really. Home. Yes, I was missing my home. I was missing lazing around at home on such a rainy day with a mug of hot coffee and popcorn and my favorite songs to go with it. Or getting out on the terrace and embracing the rain, letting it wash off all the worries for a few moments. The cab came to a stop, bringing me out of the series of thoughts I was going through. I realized that my destination had arrived. I got down the cab saying bye to my friends and started walking towards my PG. So PG is the hostels that we stay in. The rain had stopped by then, but the thoughts continued to shower in my mind. More than the thoughts, those were memories. Memories of getting drenched in rain, by choice most of the times. Memories of riding the bike through heavy rain without a raincoat. Memories of playing basketball under the showers. Memories of enjoying rains with friends. Memories of the poems I had written on rain. Memories of going on a long drive with mom and dad on such a rainy day. Wait a minute. It wasn't exactly the tasty dishes or just my home that I was missing. It was actually the people that I love. The people who are so close to my heart. Staying away from your loved ones since days or months is fine. But what makes you feel the hollowness in life is the feeling of missing them. A slight smile spread across my lips, recalling all these moments which are so special to me. Oh, I had already reached my PG. I pulled open the gate with a sigh, thanking God for sending such lovely people into my life and hoping to meet them soon.